Here are the steps to send an international wire transfer using Bank of America's mobile banking app. If you're looking to wire money to accounts in the United States, including U.S. territories, please see our other videos that explain how to wire money using our mobile banking app or online banking. First, gather the recipient's information, including the currency of the recipient's account and their name and address, bank info such as SWIFT code and account information. Some countries require specific bank identifiers, such as Canada's transit code or India's IFSC code, or account identifiers such as IBAN or CLABE for Mexico. See the Foreign Currency Payments Guide for details at bankofamerica.com/wire transfers. If you're not enrolled in Secured Transfer, you'll also need your debit card number and PIN. Then, log in to the Bank of America mobile app. After logging in, tap Pay and Transfer at the bottom of the screen. Then tap Wire. If you have both banking and investing accounts, select Bank of America. You may wish to check exchange rates before starting the wire transfer process. When ready, tap Start a Wire to initiate your wire transfer. For domestic transfer destinations, please see our other videos. If this is your first time sending money to your recipient, you'll need to add their account by tapping Add New Recipient. If you're sending money to someone you've already set up, tap their name or all recipients to see your full list. Select the country where your recipient's account is located and tap Next. Select the currency you want to send. If you're unsure of the currency, ask your recipient. Tap Next. Choose the account type of your recipient, the account ownership, and tap Next. Then provide the required information. Once all the information has been entered, tap Next. Add the recipient's account details, including the bank identifier like SWIFT code and account identifiers for your recipient's country, then tap Next. Verify the bank information and tap Next. Scroll down and confirm the information is correct. Tap Edit to make any changes. Once correct, tap Add. When adding a new recipient, read the important scam warning, then tap OK. Your recipient has been added. Tap Choose Account. Select the account you'd like to send money from and tap Next. Then tap Enter Amount and enter the amount you would like to send. If you are sending in a foreign currency, you can enter either the US dollar or foreign currency amount you want to send. To change the currency, tap the currency code for They Receive. Review the estimated cost of the transfer and tap Next. Tap Choose Purpose to indicate the intent of the wire transfer. Select the purpose from the list and tap Next. You can add any additional information for the recipient's bank. Once complete, tap Next. If you're already enrolled in Secured Transfer, you will be prompted to request an authorization code when your transfer exceeds a certain amount. Otherwise, you may be required to enroll in Secured Transfer to send your wire. To get started, add your U.S. mobile number. You will then receive a text message with an authorization code to complete enrollment. Then tap Next. Enter the authorization code received via text message and your debit card details, and then tap Add Number to complete your Secured Transfer enrollment. You will see confirmation that your mobile number is enrolled. Tap Continue to proceed. Before sending the wire transfer, please review all the wire details. Tap Edit at the bottom of your screen if you need to make any changes. Scroll down to read the transfer terms. Tap the circle to authorize the payment. Then tap Send to submit the wire transfer. You're finished. You'll see a confirmation receipt that your wire transfer has been submitted. You can share it or save it for your records. If you're satisfied with the transfer, scroll down to review the details and then tap Done to exit the wire transfer function. You'll receive email confirmation. Funds typically arrive in 1 to 5 business days, but may depend on currency selected and processing time of the receiving bank. International wire transfers initiated from consumer accounts will show as scheduled and may be canceled within 30 minutes of request. However, small business international wires may not be canceled after your request. Once the transfer has begun processing, tap it to see detailed status. For more information, visit bankofamerica.com/wire transfers.